Hi and welcome back to one of our ECTA tutorials. We're going to do a series of tutorials, just small little things in the theme of Valentine's Day. The idea is to look at a rustic, romantic little table that you can put together at home for a dinner, a Valentine's dinner that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. And it's most of the things we're going to use you can find around the house. So enjoy. We're going to start off with decorating a candle. So the whole idea is that it's all building up to your final table setting and your centerpiece. So we're going to start with just decorating a candle. The end result would be rustic, so a lot of sticks, browns and roses. So we just want to add some color to this candle and just add a little bit of a natural element to it. So any nice pillar candle you can take. And the trick is, first to start off with, we're going to need some leaves, candle, some elastic bands, that's your trick, and then a rope to finish it off with. You can also use a ribbon, maybe a nice red ribbon. We're going more for the natural feel to it. So we're going to take our candle and we're just going to take our elastic bands and place like 2 bands around here. And that is going to help you stack these leaves around it. So we've got our elastic bands there. And then what we want to do is we want to take and just make sure that we cut them the right length. I'm going to make a few of these. And they don't all have to look exactly the same. We're going for the natural look. And you can use eucalyptus leaves, penny gum leaves. These we took from the garden. And it's just to add that bit of green, extra green and natural feel to the table. Valentine's Day doesn't have to be hearts and white and red. We're adding a nice twist to your table. Okay, I think that should be enough. And now it's very simple. All we're going to do is we're going to start threading our leaves, little bunches, through our elastic bands. What we want to do is just pull out a few of those leaves so it doesn't look all flat and pressed down. Pull a few of those leaves out. Okay. Nice thing if you use something like eucalyptus, it'll add a fragrance to your table, as it's a strong smelling leaf. Okay. So if you've got a very big table, you want to do 2 or 3 of these candles. We've got a small area, so I'm only going to do 1 to go in the center. I'm gonna cut all those off. That one's a bit long still. Okay, now you've got a candle that looks completely natural. And we can then take our rope and just twist that around our elastic bands. And that's how you decorate the candle with some leaves.